Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make pizza. 2 ways to make your pizza at home. First, the pan method pizza and the oven method pizza. So if you like eating yummy pizza but you can't make it because you don't have oven, watch to the end. You'll learn how to make pan pizza without oven. And in the same video I'm going to show you how to make your dough for the pizza, the sauce for the pizza, and the toppings. So today's video is packed with a lot of learning, so don't go away. Let's dive into today's tutorial together. So for the dough, get a very clean mixing bowl. Add 4 cups of all-purpose flour followed by Eastern yeast, then a cup of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Mix with a turning stick to combine. Mix with a turning stick to combine. Exactly what you see on the screen. Mix until it is combined. Then make a hole at the center. Add 1 egg and continue to mix. You could use more than 1 egg depending on the quantity of dough you are making. In today's tutorial, I'm just using 4 cups of flour. You can use more than that if you want to make more dough, more pizza. Alright, stir this until it blends together. Next, add 250 ml of warm milk and continue to mix to combine. All the ingredients for the dough, for the pizza sauce, for the topping will be at the description button. Alright, so mix this properly to combine. Next, add your butter. So everyone, at this point I'm going to give my hands a proper wash to use my hand to mix till it is combined. If you have a hand mixer, you could use that, but if you don't have a hand mixer, please give your hand a proper wash and continue to mix. Alright, so exactly what you see on the screen. Continue to mix, then put it on a very clean surface and mix together. Knead this for 15 minutes. If you want to get a very smooth, soft dough, mix properly. Exactly what you see. And when you mix it properly, when you use your finger to point at it, it's supposed to bounce. Exactly what you see right now on the screen. So next, get your mixing bowl and pull the dough back into the bowl. Cover it with a clean kitchen napkin. Cover it properly. Exactly what you see on the screen right now. Cover it properly and put it in a warm place for 30 minutes for the yeast to activate properly. So for the pizza sauce, I need spring onions, red bell pepper, chopped onions, seasoning, tomatoes, green pepper, and curry powder, then half teaspoon of salt. So put all of this together and fry it for 5 minutes. Fry this on a low heat for 5 minutes and then add your curry. Continue to fry for 5 minutes. Fry on a low heat for 5 minutes. Then add 65 ml of water and cover it on a low heat to cook for 5 minutes. Alright everyone, we are making pizza on a pan and on the inside the oven, so don't go away. Let's make this together. So after covering it for 5 minutes, next blend it very smooth. Blend it very smooth, and when you blend it very smooth, this is what you're going to get. So this is our pizza sauce. You could add more of tomato to make it red, and the red bell pepper, but me, I prefer it this color. So For the toppings, we need fresh tomato, shredded chicken, sausage, fried sausage, green pepper, spring onions. So the pizza is packed with lots of veggies. If you don't like veggies, you could just make do with shredded chicken and sausage. And then I have cheese. This is the type of cheese I'm using in today's tutorial because that is what I could get from the market. So next, you grate your cheese into smaller sizes. Exactly what you see on the screen. Then the dough is ready. Now the dough is very tender, as you could see. It is very soft and very tender. So next, I'm going to use a very clean knife to cut it into 4 parts. After cutting it into 4 parts, I'll get a parts. Then get your rolling pin and begin to knead it. Knead it very gently. Okay, use your rolling pin to roll it very smooth. Roll it tenderly because the dough is very soft. Alright, then place your pan on the fire on a very low heat. Grease it with a butter. After greasing it with a butter, spread your dough and then use your hand to make sure it is perfectly spread on the pan. Okay, make sure it perfectly fits into the pan. Next, begin to spread your pizza sauce around. Spray your pizza sauce. Make sure your fire is on the low heat, the lowest heat, so that it will not burn. Then next, followed by the cheese. Spray your cheese. Spray enough cheese depending on the quantity of cheese you have. Then next, spray the shredded chicken. If you're using chicken, you could use any other sauce, any other meats, beef, but I'm using chicken in today's tutorial, guys, because I like chicken pizza. Okay, so spread it all around, then follow with the sausage. Follow with the sausage. Okay. Then the veggies, the tomatoes, the green pepper. Make sure your heat is on the lowest so that your pizza will not burn. Alright, hello everyone, all my genuine subscribers. Thanks for all your support. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, you are highly welcome. Please stay connected. More videos are uploaded every week. So after putting all of these toppings, cover this for 10 minutes on a low heat so that the cheese will melt. So this is our pan pizza. It is ready and yummy. Believe me, it tastes very good, just like the pizza you would like to have. So for the oven method, just cut out your dough, and after kneading it exactly what you see on the screen, after using your rolling pin to roll it, grease the oven pan with a butter, then spread your dough. Make sure, use your hand to make sure it fits very well into the pan. Next, spread the pizza sauce, exactly what you see on the screen. Spread the pizza sauce and then begin to add the toppings. You could follow it with the chicken, the cheese. Hello everyone. Thanks once again, all my genuine subscriber. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Stay connected. More videos are uploaded every week on this channel. Stay safe, stay connected. Like, comment, and share the video to your families and friends. If you like any of this method, please do leave your comment at the description button down below. Let me know which of the method you would like to prepare at home. Oven method is almost ready, so we're putting all the toppings, the tomatoes, the green pepper, the red bell pepper, the spring onions. Wow, this pizza is yummy. The young ones at home can't wait for it to cook. Well, that is always the feeling when pizza is on fire. Who doesn't like to eat pizza? Let me see your hand. All right, so our oven pizza is almost ready, so I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes to cook on 360-degree heat, depending on your oven features. So I'm going to put it on the oven, and after 15 minutes the pizza will be ready. So cover for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes our pizza is ready, and this is what it looked like. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay connected. See you soon, and let me know which of this method you prefer on the comment section.